me turn off the AC. As soon as I pressed record, the AC turned on. So I'm gonna wait for that to turn off. While that's doing that, I'm gonna put some lotion on my hands. Just got done doing my makeup, so I had to wash my hands because I got it everywhere. So now my hands feel dry again. Alright, hey guys, it's this, wait, another fan, hold on. It should be more silent. I'll see when I'm editing if this actually did a difference. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lisette here, and I'm back on like my original channel, but it's my second channel that I made. But I tried to make a third channel, but now I'm like, girl, just come back. So like, I've just been all over the place, and I always say that I'm gonna come back and better, but I need to actually do that. Anyways, I'm just deciding to like film wherever, because whatever gets the job done is better than me trying to be a perfectionist and never posting. So anyways, today's video is going to be all about this hair that I have installed to be a hair beauty guru. Yeah, this hair is from Yolissa hair. I'll put the name somewhere just in case I'm not pronouncing it correctly. It is an AliExpress store, and I believe they also have an Instagram if you want to check them out there. This is not sponsored. I just wanted some cheap hair for me to go on my vacation with. I got back from my vacation a couple days ago, and I wanted to try curly hair again because I haven't had curly hair in like 2 years or something. Like, it's been a long time, and my mom was like, how come you haven't had curly hair, blah blah blah. So I did this, and I got shorter hair this time instead of trying to get waistline. And I got a frontal 16 inches, and then I got 3 bundles, I believe 16, 18, 20 maybe, or maybe the frontal's 14, and then I got 14, 16, 18. And this is what it looks like. All of that, so for 3 bundles and a frontal, it was under $200. I remember that. Yeah, so it was pretty cheap. It came all right. I think it came within 4 to 5 days. Nothing too shabby, and I ordered over like on a Friday, so I had to wait till like Monday for them to ship it out. The day before I had to get my hair done, which was the day before I had to leave. So I was just blessed that it got here. This is what the frontal looks like. I had to, what's the word? I had to customize and bleach it myself since it did come the day before. I couldn't give it to the hairstylist. I wanted it to look as professional as possible, but I had to do it myself, and this is what it looks like. I mean, like, this looks like this. You know, like, that part looks pretty good to me. I go for like the more natural looking, like, I don't like to look too slayed. I know that sounds weird, but that's just my vibe I guess I have going on. I've been wearing this half up, half down a lot, and I have a hair tutorial on how I did this. And also, this is pretty much the natural curl pattern. I brushed it out this morning. I spritzed it with water, and like it has a little bit of peppermint oil in there. And then also I like to use this Aussie leave-in conditioner just to like get those curls popping, and also it makes your hair smell good. I should have took this on my trip, so that way when I was like hugging people, my hair smells good instead of smelling like normal hair. But more about this, it has not shed yet. I haven't gotten any shedding, but then again, like, it's not like I'm combing this hair out. It's really soft. When I washed it, it's amazing hair. The quality, especially for the price, is really amazing. I've had it in for like a week and a half now. It's been through like New York smog and Texas heat, and it's all right. I'm about to go to work for the first time tonight, and I sweat at work. My frontal's already lifting, but that's not like the hair's fault, so that's just my own predicament. What else? Also, all I ended up using, or the hairstylist, was the frontal, 1 full bundle, and then a half of another bundle. So I still have a bundle and a half yet left, and I used some of the other bundle to make this part fuller, like my little top knot, to make, you know, the hair look bigger. But yeah, so I actually have a lot of hair left over, which is surprising. So you don't even have to buy 3 bundles. My head is pretty, like, I think a medium-sized But yeah, that's pretty much all I have for this hair. Overall, I would order from them again, curly hair, for sure. Like, this is the best curly hair I've had in years. Even when I used to wear curly hair, like, this is the best. I love it. The frontal looks good. The frontal fit my head good, because my head is like medium, small, whatever, so it actually fit me well, which was really good. She didn't have to customize much, just like cut off the ear tabs, which is normal. But yeah, overall, I love this hair. I would 10 out of 10 recommend for anybody to get it, especially if you are a college student, going back to school, anything like that. This hair is really cheap and really good. Like, oh yeah, I'm supposed to do that, huh? So y'all can see what it looks like or whatever. But yeah, that's all I have to say. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so that way this channel can grow. Also, give this video a thumbs up, and you can comment down below if there are any other websites that you want me to check out their hair from, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!